Okay, the purpose of this lab is to install SATA devices. So, in this lab we want to install both hard drives on the computer. So we'll go to the mother drive view. Alright, it says read the motherboard documentation to identify the location of the internal SATA connectors. So we'll click on the motherboard and look at the details and go to the specifications and maximize that. And we can see some SATA connectors there, and here serial in the specifications we can see serial ATA connectors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is, and they are located in number 8, which is right here in this lower right hand corner. Alright, so cancel out of that and we will start installing hard drives and connect them to the motherboard. So we'll go to the drive bays. Here's where we'll install the hard drives. We'll install 1 and 2. We have 2 hard drives on this machine, and let's connect them. They're both the same on each side. Let's move in, zoom in a bit, and we'll zoom in even more. Right, so we can see our connections, and we'll connect that, grab another cable and connect that, and let's return to our motherboard view and go to the SATA connectors in the lower right hand corner, and we'll connect. Let's do this. Let's grab this one that was first, and we'll connect that right there, 1. And let's grab the second cable and we'll connect that right there as 2. Alright, and let's see, we need to power these drives up. So what should we do? Maybe we should go to drive bays and scroll down and click on our partial connections, mouse over and power the first drive and power the second drive. Alright, so plug in. Okay, install the eSATA port in the expansion slot. Okay, so let's return to the motherboard view and scroll down to our expansion slots, and let's expand. We want to add a port connector, so let's expand port connectors. Let's look at the details. That's what our port connector looks like. There are its connectors, and there's the top view. Right. So let's drag that from the shelf and put it here, release, and let's select the SATA connection to power it up, and we'll connect that here. Okay, is everything connected that needs to be connected? Let's look at our drive bays again, just to make sure. That seems okay. Alright, and let's boot the computer so we can check and see if both have been connected. And let's see if the monitor is on. Okay, the monitor is on now, so we'll be able to see when we boot into that. Click to boot, and I'll hit delete to get into the BIOS. Yours may be F2 to get into the BIOS, mine is delete. And let's scroll down. We see the first 800 gig hard drive and the second 800 gig hard drive. So that seems like a good thing. And Windows, let's let Windows start. Oh, Windows is not installed, so the operating will not start. Okay. All right, but both drives are detected, so we'll exit from that. All right, and Windows is not installed, So I think at this point we can score the lab and see how we did. All right, looks good. Thank you for watching.